feel like I'm so boring and always just do like layered powder bombs. So it's fun when people request things. I get very stuck in my ways. But it's fun to switch it up. Like the powder play that's about to happen on top of this paste. That's why I changed gloves. Typically I'm never gloveless, so I've never had an irritation. I do, it's in my bio wiki. It just was already all the way under my gloves. It felt really gross. Not lasagna. Who wants a shirt update? This is where we're at. Yeah, Ash. Yeah. Ending the night with powder play? Say less. If anyone wants to send for the fake rinse, we're gonna do that in the sink. We have a lemon pinelin going in so far. This is for, a lot of people crave this for pica, pregnancy. Cállate tu boca. Oh, it's so soft. No, I am white and Japanese. I grew up in a city that had a lot of Hispanic families who didn't speak English. So I got put in a program called dual immersion where half of the day from kindergarten till 5th grade was in Spanish. So I like literally read Harry Potter in Spanish in 3rd grade. It was really fun. We got to like we celebrated Dia de los Muertos, we would go to museums. We would do cultural dances in front of the school. It was really fun to do. So I got to learn Spanish, and the other kids got to learn English. I could literally do this for an hour. Okay, sorry. Sorry, gang. Powder play is my favorite. Oh, hold on. I got a puzzle. I got a puzzle. Are we ready? Sorry, it's hard to squeeze. There is some chunks down there. Ooh. Guys, there's 72 cans in here. I thought these cans were gonna last me for the week. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I think the clumps are gonna win this battle with me. Thank you to my amazing mods. If you need to let the chat go crazy and just sit back, that's fine. Yeah, if anyone wants to add, we can. Or we can move on to the fake rinse. Yeah, those chunks are hard. Okay, you can just see all the chunks. Okay, we don't need the pine. You can just move on to the frints, the fake rinse. Book is going crazy. Okay. Smell it. Delectable. Thank you, Boca. Very pretty. Oh, it smells so good. Just want to put my face in it. Trying to enjoy my pine squeezes before it gets fully mixed in. $18. You ready? No, that didn't just drop on my floor. You're not at all hearing splatters. What are you talking about? I can't help it. You're too beautiful. Oh, this is nice. Dang, thanks for the follow, guys. Yeah. I know, I keep looking over and all I see is disappearing. Just so we can get some pretty squeezes. Ooh. Oh my god, I just felt paste go behind my ear.